What is up, Print Squad? I am back with another video, and today is going to be a quick little simple video. It's going to be another unboxing video. Right here, I just got an order in from Texas Screen Printing Supply. So I'm going to let you guys check out what I got. Look guys, check this out. They have a little thank you note. It says thank you for your order, and they sent a couple of mints, and these are the good ones. These are like the soft mints that I like too. So let's get back to the unboxing. Alright, so right here, this is screen opener right here, as you have seen me use in a couple other videos. Yeah, this is screen opener. Okay, and I got some Ulano orange right here. This is emulsion. Yeah, I'm just gonna try this out and see how it is. And I also got, you know, the one that I usually use, the Ulano QX1. So yeah, that's what I got this time. I didn't get too much stuff, but right here, this Ulano orange, I was kind of doing a little research. You know, I had a few issues. In Louisiana, it's hot right now. It's humid, pretty humid here, and the Ulano orange is supposed to work better in humidity. So yeah, I might be switching to that one at least for the summertime, or maybe, you know, if it works good for me, I might just go ahead and switch to that one. But I'm gonna try it out, and I'll let you guys know how everything goes with it. I'm getting ready to coat a few screens in a little bit. Well, actually, it'll probably be tonight, because I'm getting ready to leave the shop here in a little bit, because I have basketball training that I have to go do. And once I get done with that, I'll probably come back here while I'm already sweaty and wash screens. You know, I don't want to sweat right now because I'm not printing today, but probably come back here and wash screens tonight. So if so, I'll let you guys check it out with me coating with the Ulano orange. So I appreciate you watching the video. If you like it or found it helpful, hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check down below for links for products and equipment that I use to print t-shirts. And I will see you in the next video. Print Squad out.